Hello everyone, welcome to CATSA. Today's topic is orphan drug. So, first of all, we need to know what do you mean by orphan drugs. So, these are the drugs used for the treatment of rare diseases. So, what can be the rare diseases? These are the kind of inherited cancers, autoimmune disorders, autoimmune disorders, or it can be kind of congenital malformations. Okay, congenital malformations. Now, coming to the next, why they are known as orphan drugs? Okay, because due to less marketing profit rather than manufacturing cost, pharmaceutical companies do not show any interest in adopting them. So, we should do something which can make pharmaceutical companies more interested in manufacturing these kind of drugs. That is the regulation of manufacturing orphan drug. And it happens when the United States of America passed the Orphan Drug Act in January 4, 1983. Now we should know what are the features included in this act. So, they provide incentives to pharma companies for manufacturing, faster clearance through the FDA, marketing exclusivity for 7 years for pharma companies to recover costs. Now, we need to know what are the examples. So, there are some drugs which are given. You can go through it, like pitolisant, therapeutic uses, treatment of narcolepsy, midazolam, seizures induced by organophosphorus poisoning, clonazepam, recurrent acute repetitive seizures, strytipentol, Dravet syndrome, vigabatrin, infantile spasm, halofantrine, malaria, levomethadrine, heroin addiction. There are lots of drugs available in the books. You can go through the books or you can go through this slide. Thank you for your patience.